Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony. And today I'm going to prepare one of Summer's favorite dish. Now, what do you do when you realize that you're going to prepare this dish and the main ingredient you don't have enough? Well, I'm going to show you what I had to do. Guys, I had to improvise, and as a result, we have potato pasta salad and everyone was able to have some. Let me show you all the things that I used to prepare this salad, and as you can see, I only had 2 potatoes. First, we're going to wash and peel our potatoes and then get the other vegetables ready, like the scallion and the sweet pepper. Start chopping them finely. Right here I've decided to use my scissors because my knife was not very sharp and it was just taking too long, so I just used my scissors to finish cutting. I have used 2 stalks of scallion, but you may use more or less, or you may substitute it for onions, red onions, onion powder, onion granules, or you don't have to use it at all. Your choice. I wanted the dish to look very colorful, so I've chosen red and yellow bell peppers, but you can use whatever you like. I didn't use a green one because I had green peas, add-in, but I wanted it to be a colorful dish. I'm making small bite-sized chunks, but you can make it much smaller. You may put it in your chopper, or you can make it bigger, but I like these little chunks, Now be careful when you make your potato chunks because you don't want them too small, because what will happen when you start boiling, you start mashing and then you get a kind of crushed looking potato salad. But if you don't mind that, good. But you want to see potato chunks in your salad. After we finish cutting, we're going to boil our potatoes and our pasta, and we're going to boil it together. Now, the pasta on the packet says it boils in 11 minutes, and my potatoes will usually boil in 10. So it was okay to boil them together. I will be also washing my eggs and placing them in at the same time with the potatoes because it will take at least 10 minutes for the eggs to be the way I want it. I'll be cooking these for 10 minutes, but 3 minutes before I turn the stove off, I'll be adding my mixed vegetables, and I'm using about half a cup. Now remember, because it takes 11 minutes to cook the pasta and I'm turning off at 10, I'm going to drain the water off, but pasta continues to cook if you don't run it on the cold water. It's now 10 minutes and I've turned the stove off, and now it's time to remove the eggs. Now after draining, I will not be running it on the cold water because I need the heat to partially cook the vegetables like the scallion and the sweet pepper. Just partially cook it, so the heat will do that. Let's get ready to make our salad. Now the first thing I'm going to add to my bowl are the vegetables that I want to be partially cooked. I'm going to put it to the bottom so that when I throw the potatoes and the pasta, it will start steaming it. Next, I'll be adding a teaspoon of white sugar. This now balances the acidic taste or the vinegary taste in the mayonnaise. Now I've added my peas, and this is Marrow Fat peas. This is not the traditional garden peas. I prefer Marrow Fat over garden peas. That's why I've chosen this, but you can still use your garden peas. No, Marrow Fat peas is very creamy, and if you see it, try it, and I think many people like it, but it doesn't give you that sweet taste like the garden peas. Now I'm adding a sprinkle of chive. And now it's time to add the mayonnaise. Now you can use as much or less. So it's up to you, it's your preference. Some people like it extremely creamy, while some don't like a lot. So you choose to your liking. I've added 3 tablespoons right here, but if I need any more later on, after I've mixed, then I might add more. Then I've sprinkled half a teaspoon of white pepper. We have to mix gently because we don't want to break up potatoes. We want to see chunks of potatoes in our salad. So we're going to take our time to mix, or everything together, taking those vegetables from the bottom and distributing it within the salad, taking it up, including the sugar. You want everything to be balanced. Now I'm going to add some cheese spread. Why? You can use grated cheese, but I bought cheese spread and my son says he doesn't want it. So this was the best way to get rid of it. So I added it to the salad, but you can add grated cheese. Now I'm adding some soaked raisins to bring that little sweetness, to the salad. And right here, my eggs had cooked too long because, like pasta, eggs continue to cook when you take it out of the boiling water. I didn't remember to put my eggs in some cold water to stop the cooking process. So as a result, the yolk became very dry. But, you will know next time you put it directly in cold water to stop the cooking. I'm adding my eggs and I'm going to mix gently because I still want to maintain the shape of the potatoes. Now, after you've done this, if you don't want any more mayonnaise or anything else, your salad is done. Now here we have it, potato pasta salad. Now I've just garnished with a little parsley. Now you may have this with any meat of your choice, or you can have it by itself, whichever you prefer. Both ways, delicious. Now, if you're new here and you have not yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe. And for all my subscribers, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your wonderful comments. It's well appreciated. Now remember to share, like, and give me a thumbs up. I look forward to hearing from you every week. See you in the next video. Bye.